Say action when you start.
Action.
What's up?
Okay.
Cut down. Okay, welcome YouTube. We got these 3Js, Jordan, Jamiah, Jacques. We got the snack crate. We're gonna see what's inside this box.
From different countries.
This is from all around the world, and we're gonna taste them and see which country it came from.
Either it's gonna be good or it's gonna suck very, very horribly bad.
I want to eat something from Italy. You know what I mean?
Yeah, give me that Alfredo pasta, boy.
Let's see what's inside.
Whoa.
So we have the snack crate, and it's from Ireland.
Stickers.
It says
Lastly, it's like poppy. What is it? Pretties, pink, like cider neeps, Patrice. Like most of these things are just wrong. How could I get the face? Man.
Looks like we have some chips.
A bag of air.
We have some chips.
I'm gonna
It
teach
looks
you
like
something.
fried potato chips.
A bag of air too.
Candy.
We have this like chips, Tato Craft, hand cooked crisp. Probably gonna be crispy. Vinegar, Irish cheddar, and onion flavor. Hope this is good. Cause if it isn't,
We have a chewy extreme sour apple. It's probably a sour candy. I don't know.
and it looks like it's chocolate balls. They're called Rebels. I think that's how you pronounce it.
and we got this Star Bar because I'm going into the Star Bar. Eat it now, or get it later.
We have a sandwich snack. We have 2 of them.
And we have these little hard pieces of candy called Oatfield. And they come in 2 different colors. Some fun facts are Irish people consume an average of 131.1 liters of beer per day, or per year.
They probably get drunk every day. I'm not even kidding.
There are no snakes in Ireland.
Sweet. No venom.
The population is 4,761,865, and the capital is Dublin, Ireland. Now let's get into the snacks.
Let's go. Let's dig in.
Do the
Wait.
extreme.
Warning, don't bite off more than you can chew.
Can you open it?
Alright, so there's
6.
in each package. It's
So
like
the-
now or later's.
Yeah, now and later.
They look like that. Two bubblegum wrapping.
Yeah.
Alright, so
I'll give a count of 3.
alright.
2, 1.
Yeah.
They're very hard.
Now or later's.
Very chewy hard. Woo! They're like
sour.
Starburst, but
Yeah.
Oh,
And
wait
now or
for
later's.
flour.
that actually tastes good. I'll give it a 5 out of 5 for a good candy bar, man. That's good.
I'll give it a 7 out of 10.
I'll give it like a 7 out of 10.
I'll give it like a 9 out of 10.
It's kind of hard, so I gave it a 7.
It's like,
It tastes like a now or later.
yeah, like the green now and later, but it's like thicker.
It's probably like
And way hard.
it tastes like a Starburst, but sour. Pretty good sour. Sour. Very sour.
It starts to get sour when you get to the middle of it. I can't stand sour stuff.
What?
My mouth is about to start
But
drooling.
sour. It's the goodness of life. For you to not taste sour.
We're gonna eat the sandwich snacks. I found out that there's something right here. It says milk chocolate sandwich biscuit.
Let me give my opinion. There's 2 kinds of chocolate. The chocolate that tastes like real chocolate and the fake chocolate that you want to spit out and maybe 1% eat it. Why you want that? So this can be good chocolate or fake chocolate.
Exactly.
It says smooth milk chocolate filling sandwich between two short cake squares for the perfect biscuity snack.
I'll give it a chance.
So if you go to Ireland and you see this, pick it up, I guess, and eat it because it looks like it's good.
It looks like a Kit Kat
Yeah, it kind of looks like a Kit Kat or a Crunch.
or a Hershey bar.
Yeah,
Like one.
mixed.
I'll break it in half for us. See,
If you look in the inside,
it's like
Sadly,
chocolate.
I gotta eat the whole thing.
just saying, they look like they didn't finish.
Yeah, like a Twix.
Yeah, they
Without
look
the
like they
caramel.
didn't finish
You see,
filling
they
it in
could
with the
eat
chocolate
like
in the middle.
half. I gotta eat the whole thing.
Okay, 3,
Two,
2, 1.
You know what?
Snickers.
It tastes magically delicious.
It tastes like a Snickers.
Milk chocolate, you guys.
A Crunch Snickers.
It's actually
Actually
not
pretty
that
good,
bad,
yeah.
It tastes like a Kit Kat.
Real chocolate,
And the Snickers.
real biscuit. Probably like buttermilk crisp.
There's probably
It's
all
just-
the candies mixed in a record.
It tastes dry. You might need some milk or something.
Yeah, like
with it.
something to drink.
Yeah, it has 2 holes. So you can just fix some cream.
I definitely recommend it.
If you like hungry.
Jordan doesn't look like he's loving it.
Boy, I am. Wow.
I rate it probably a 5 out of 10.
I rate it like a 4 out of 10. Wasn't that good?
And I rate it 10 out of 10, boy. 10
You
out
didn't even eat your whole thing.
Right.
You want me to eat the whole thing?
Yes.
No. And I'm choosing a little bit of old woman candy.
1927. So this candy looks like it was when World War II was happening.
Now we're gonna go inside the book to tell us what it's about. There's glucose fruits, tasty hard candies or boiled sweets as they are known in Ireland, featuring tasty fruit flavors.
Let's dig in. Let's see if we can find the flavors, like where it says flavor.
I think
I believe this is
flavors-
strawberry. This is sour.
This could either be strawberry, cherry, or watermelon. If it's strawberry,
I'm spinning it out.
if it's cherry, if it's watermelon, get that crap out of here.
I believe that these are some of the sour.
I think
I think they are.
I think I either have lemon or banana.
I
Yeah,
think I
those
have
are
these more YOLO. Let me eat now.
Strawberry. Do you have banana?
No, I got lemon.
Flavors confusing me.
It's not sour, but it's pretty good.
I mean, yeah. It felt like I had these before.
Kind of tastes a little dull.
I can't remember the name of the candy.
Ow.
I just bit it.
Ooh.
Rest in peace, Jamiah. Rest in peace, your teeth.
This is a really hard candy.
See, they biting hard candy. That's not the point. You're supposed to like,
But good.
Yeah.
you're supposed to like taste it in your mouth like.
I want to taste another
Not
one.
Not
'Cause
even use your teeth.
none of us tasted this kind.
I'm not tasting it. That's probably the one that I hate.
Hate grape.
I mean, hate grape. Right to it.
Grape. Oh.
Was it bad? Was it
Yeah,
bad?
it's horrible.
I hate grape, but I guess.
You gotta do it.
Ew. Ew.
Well, I gave that candy a 3 out of 10.
I'm back.
I'm gonna give those two candies a rating. Purple. Well, I didn't have a taste, so I can only do one rating. Strawberry, I'll give it like a 6 out of 10. It's not. It's really dull.
The lemon one, I'll give that a 10 out of 10. But the grape was like a -0. No, because it's -4 out of 10.
So let's get right back in to another flavor. I mean, candy. Whatever you call it. Sweets.
Snacks.
Snacks, yeah.
You failed me.
Next, we're gonna do the Rebels. These are chocolate dip bites with a mix of surprise flavors, including raisin, orange, coffee, malt, chocolate, and toffee. Toffee. I don't know what it is. Alright, so it's like Bean Boozled, and you gotta guess one and pick one that
So
you
it
want.
looks like, as you can see, they're different kind of shapes.
Yeah.
You can see there's a flat one, and you can see there's a circle one.
Yeah, they look like Whoppers.
M&M's and Whoppers.
Yeah.
They should call it that.
Right into it. I'm gonna bite them in half to see if the insides are just.
Oh yeah, if they're different. That's a good
3,
idea.
2, 1.
Okay. The outside is like chocolate. It's like soft. But the middle,
So you can see.
the middle is like. Oh my god, this is nasty. The middle is like bread kind. Not bread. How do you pronounce that? Well, yeah, definitely.
This is disgusting.
Very.
Guys.
I think I got the coffee one, but I don't know because
You can see the insides are different. This is the flat one. This is a circle one. They're different.
Okay. You remember when I say fake chocolate and real chocolate? I saved a piece of this. This is real chocolate right here. You see this? Fake chocolate. Just
Exposed.
get that off of it. Get.
I'll
1 out of a 10.
I'll give it like a 5 out of 10.
probably like a 3 out of 10. Even though it was like nasty and everything. I mean, if you're like hungry and you can't find anything, you should probably go find some and eat them. Definitely.
Give it a 1 out of 10. Let's get right on to the next one. We're gonna do Any Mini Money Mo. It's my pick. We're gonna do Any Mini Money Mo. Any Mini Money Mo. Catch a tiger by his tail. If he hollers at him, go Any Mini Money Mo. My mom says that you are not it. We're getting chips.
Alright, later. Let's read about
Called
these
Kraft.
crafts. The Tato cheddar and onion crisps. Crunchy Irish potatoes are flavored with zesty vintage cheddar cheese and onion flavor. Seriously addictive.
It sounds good.
No, it doesn't.
It sounds good.
Cheesy onions.
Let's open it. Smell.
I mean, yeah, the smell's pretty good.
Everybody grab a chip.
Let me see one. They look like regular potato chips. Okay, I can't grab it because
Grab me a chip. Ooh, curved chips. I don't know why I like curved chips. 3,
Alright.
2, 1. They're perfect.
I'm addicted.
I'm going island.
It's addicted to me.
Let me get one more.
No.
first of all, they weren't that good. So
They were that good. They're 10 out of 10s.
you're right. Okay. What about
A million out of 10.
I'll give it infinity. Okay, go online, buy it. Trust me, you will like it.
I'm gonna give that a 0
It
out
tastes
of
like
10. A 0 out of 10. But that's only because that's only because they were disgusting and I do not like onions. This is how they look too. They look like regular potato chips.
no.
Okay,
Best
we
chip
don't
in the
do that.
world.
No, we don't.
Okay.
Okay, on to the next.
It's a motherfucking star bar. It's a motherfucking star
Look what we're
bar.
about to eat.
Come on.
Oh boy.
Oh my god.
These chips are addicting.
Okay, we get it.
It tricks you, man.
Right.
It tricks you like, look at this good slimy chocolate. And then you look on the back, you go like,
Bro,
It looks like a wafer.
no.
in the middle, it looks like a Snickers and a Twix mixed.
Yes, that is very gooey.
Look at it. It looks like it was
Why is
made
it
out of
hard to-
roaches.
It's like
3, 2,
Okay.
1.
wait, I didn't do mine.
This.
It's good, just like this one. We saved the best for last.
This tastes so bad.
Disgusting. Very bad.
I love it. I give it a 10 out of 10.
I would give it a 2 out of 10. It wasn't that bad, but it wasn't good either. So,
I'll give it a chance. I'll give it 7 out of 10.
you know that's a lie.
10 out of 10. Same with these chips.
We're closing out the video here.
Make sure you like and subscribe and you turn on the post notifications. Ding ding. And go subscribe at livingbrit.com, whatever you call it. Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe, okay? But I have to show you a little one more thing. Go check out her page. Go check out, like, subscribe. Please like and subscribe. Please. To the Living Brit. Like and subscribe.
I want to get my chips.